Hi guys! Deans here from The Vegetarian. I-share ko sa inyo yung latest na nabili ko na air fryer. Alam ko matagal na nauso yung air fryer. Meron na ba kayo? Ang totoo, pangalawang air fryer ko na to. Yung isa, another brand, but this one, ito yung latest na nabili ko, which is gustong-gusto ko and I think very promising. Kasi ang matibay, durable, and quality products talaga yung ginagawa ni Sobrang cute!
One Moon Air Fryer OA5.
The design is so sleek and minimalist. As you can see, in their manual, you're cooking like French fries or the shrimp, cake, steak, or drumstick fish. So there is a guide here for the temperature and the time. So always keep your manual for reference.
It's a non-stick coating to avoid sticky pans and convenient cleaning. It's a 3.5 large high-capacity air fryer.
So this is 220 volts and we need to buy an adapter just in case you don't have a socket like this. The power of this model is 1500 watts. And I like also this one because as you can see, there is a touchscreen for their menus. Guys, I made a recipe that is very easy to cook using our friendly air fryer. Gusto ko ng air fryer kasi hindi na natin kailangan ng oil. So, less fun and more healthy. So, alam nyo na, mag-air fryer na kayo. So, first that we are going to cook is the lechon kawali. Nasanay tayo na kapag may lechon kawali, using oil. So, this time, we are cooking lechon kawali without oil. So, hindi siya nakaka-guilty. We'll also try to cook mixed veggies using air fryer, avocado toast with egg, ham and egg cheesy sandwich using air fryer. Let's try this. So, kanina we have already boiled our pork. And we already set it aside. But before that, make sure our hands are clean.
We have to do this on the pork skin so that it will be more crunchier.
For that, we need a salt, the black pepper, just a bit of black pepper, let's put our pork. Set this at 200 degrees for 25 minutes. Now we're done with the first dish. We are cooking avocado toast with egg and a little bit of salt and pepper, of course using our air fryer. Little bit of black pepper. One is optional. You can add some cheese if you just want. So I use this cheese whiz mild. You can also use cream cheese or mayonnaise. It's up to you. Just put it in the side of the bread, just like this. We will be needing another egg for our sandwich. Let's try to cook it at 5 minutes at 180 degrees. This one would be our mixed veggies. All we need to do is put the batter and at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. So there you go, guys. Very easy lang itong mga ginawa kong menus. Of course, with the help of my new air fryer. Having air fryer is very worth it. Because aside from cooking without oil, you can do a lot of things like baking. Although hindi ako nakapag-bake kasi hindi naman ako magaling mag-bake. So, pwedeng-pwede rin kayong mag-bake using air fryer. So, you can also use your air fryer as an oven. Kapag may gusto kang iinit, air fryer na lang yung gamitin mo. And nga pala guys, ito napili ko sa Lazada and meron din sila sa Shopee. So, I'll put the link on the description box. And isa pa, tamang-tama, naka-sale sila ngayon. So, it's your chance. Kasi sobrang quality ng air fryer nila. So, yun lang guys, nagugutom na ako. Kain muna ako. Bye!